Buddhism in Pakistan. I'm intended to make in 10 parts, starting from the first, covering the museum located in Taxila. This is the best presentation of Gandhara Art, and covering both Greeks and Indian archaeology, covering Buddhism, Hinduism, Jainism. The museum was completed in 1928 thanks to Sir John Marshall, having great assets recovered from the surroundings area, including Buddhist stupas. There are around 4,000 objects here, covering history approximately 2,500 years back to 1,500 years back. So it's covering almost 1,000 years collections. The highest part of this museum is that it's a melting pot of old Buddhist art, Indian art, Greek's art, and with a touch of Chinese presentation. So when you visiting this place, actually you seeing the presentation from a very big part of the world, starting from Macedonia, ending to India. After this clip, I will go outside and cover the remaining 9 parts, visiting the historical sites around this museum, covering Indian, Greek, Buddhism presentation.